Hi viewers, quick video on how to remove the radiator from the housing for a R53 Mini Cooper S. So the first step, take a photo of the cable for the cooling fan, just so that when you reattach it you know how it goes. Disconnect it at the points shown. So these are just clips that you'll notice attached onto the molding of the housing. Then you can move on to the next step. So there's two of these, one on the left, one on the right. So I just use the screwdriver. You'll notice these pins here, so just push the pin through and pull it out from the other side. So these are basically a two-part retaining pin. So once you remove this core, this will allow you to press the prongs of the second piece together, and then you'll be able to remove that from the housing. And once you've done the same on both sides, then as you'll see, the radiator will just fall away and then it just lifts out from the bottom. And then if you're replacing the radiator, or for whatever reason you need to remove the cooling fan, this is just a quick demonstration. So you've got these 4 tabs, and then over on the radiator you'll notice the corresponding parts. 2 on the bottom here, you lift up to release, and then basically lift the fan up and then it'll come away from the radiator. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope the video helped you out in some way. Consider liking, subscribing. See you on the next one.